So today I'm going to be giving you all a 5-week update on these knee-length knotless box braids I did on myself. What I liked and what I didn't like about them, and answering a few questions some of you all had, all while cutting these braids into a bob. Go ahead and stay tuned. I watch them laugh. True mankind, them a take me soft. Them know them a pray for me blessings cut short. Me find them out, that's how me cut them off. You better tell them your business, them a take it good talk. And them a sheep in the day, but on a wolf in the dark. You see me get this start, and you know what me. Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. First of all, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So it has been 5 weeks since I first installed these knotless braids on my head. And I'm going to be taking them out soon, so I decided let me just cut it into a bob and do an update video, let you all know how it's going and show you how it's going. Now, a lot of people made assumptions that knotless braids don't last as long as box braids because they're starting off with your natural hair, and a lot of people thought because my hair was so short that these knotless braids wouldn't last. But they did, and they probably could last longer if I would have tied up my hair, and if I wouldn't have been in the rain, and if I would cover my hair when I took a shower, it probably could have lasted longer. But this is me we talking about, so yeah. So someone asked me how many packs of hair did I use, and because I use so many colors, I really took pieces out of a bunch of packs, but I believe that I used about 12 or 13. Another question was, did my knotless braids slip out of my hair because my hair was so short? And to be honest, I did have a braid slip out, but that was only because I was using it to tie my hair into a ponytail. Another question I had, a few people asked me how long did it take? And honestly, I don't know because I did these for 2 or 3 hours at a time over a period of 4 or 5 days. Now, what I liked about these knotless box braids, as you all may know already, they are completely painless. I am the most tender-headed person. That's why I don't really wear braids too often. But I was able to style these and flip it over or whatever immediately. I love how flat the braids are at the root, and they last as long as regular box braids as long as you're maintaining them. And the maintenance for these braids are just about the same as regular box braids, except they need to be wrapped a little more often because your natural hair is starting off. It can get frizzier faster than traditional box braids. Now, the only thing that I didn't like about these knotless box braids was the fact that I couldn't do certain things with them because they were so long. So basically, I couldn't really style it like how I wanted to. Couldn't wrap it up in a bun like I wanted to because it was so heavy. It was just too much on my polo neck. So I don't know. I might do them again, but the next time I do them, I'm gonna try doing them shorter and a different color. And this is the finished look. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. And thanks for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.